Now, why Suzuki Swift is not the best for Uber Chap Chap? Truth Kenyan drivers ignore. Mostly the new drivers, they ignore such. They just go for the cars they love. That is not how Uber works. So on this video, I'm going to tell you why Suzuki Swift is not the best for Uber Chap Chap. Mostly if you are going full time. If you want to do Uber full time, fuel must be your first priority. Now, yes, Swift is qualified because it is a 4-door car. It is a fuel-efficient car. It meets Uber economy category requirements. And on some apps, this car will give you some upper classes. But that does not mean it is a fuel-efficient or it is a good car for Uber Chap Chap. Unaweza ongezewa class, lakini hiyo class, kupata kazi na hiyo class si mingi. So si unaona utakuwa unafanya kazi bure. Unabeba kazi 2-3 kwa wiki. So what is the purpose of that class kama utakuwa unapata ride mingi za economy? Because the economy customers, they are the majority in this business. So don't just go for a car because it will give you maybe 2 classes, but you know very well that class is not worth the business. This car meets Uber economy category. And also most people feel like maybe Suzuki Swift cannot join Uber. It can. The reason why you don't see them on Uber, it is because these cars consume a lot and the prices, most rides on this car are economy rides, and economy rides are very cheap, and that's why most drivers, they don't recommend it. However, it must be 10 years or newer. It has to be 10 years or newer. So hiyo pia keep in mind before uende gari kama Suzuki Swift. Be in good condition, not damaged. Hizo ni vitu lazima uangalie. Usiende tu hii gari, since watu wanaitumia hadi watu wa private, unaweza pata mtu anayeuza ni safi lakini it's a 2012 car. It will not join Uber. That will mess you big time. So lazima uangalie requirements even before you go for it. But I always recommend this car if you have other jobs like car hire, unaenda outside Nairobi regularly, you will enjoy. Unabebanga watu wa church, munaenda Nakuru wapi, it will help kufanya both. Number 2, here is the real truth. Very important truth. Chap Chap is a low fare and cheap rides. Swift consumes more fuel than small K cars like Alto or Wagonar. Alto, Wagonar, Datsun Mira, Datsun Move. Suzuki Swift will at least consume more. And that's why you have a lot of, mostly if you are going for full-time Uber business, you have a variety of cars to check on. Don't go for a bigger car because you love it. Oh, besti yako uchamoka nao mbio, anaenda Kisumu 3 hours. It will mess you. Alafu unakuja unagundua, unaendanga tu hiyo Kisumu December pekee. So, maintenance and parts cost more. Yeah, this car, since it's a bigger car, wadozi wako nazo, wenye at least wako na kakitu wanaitumia, inamaanisha spares ziko juu kidogo na hawa waliangi. Wewe ndio utaenda kulia huko, utakuwa unakaa kama chokora kwa duka ya spare, meaning profits becomes lower. If the consumption is high, maintenance and parts cost more. That means at some point the cost will eat your profits. Consider that. That's why it is not one of the best cars for Uber. Buying price expensive. This car goes up to 1.5 at some point. 1.5 utarudisha pesa yako lini? Kwanza ukipeana gari na kuletea like 40,000 minus hapa hujaeka maintenance. So you have to consider some of these things. Inakuonyesha pesa yako itakawia sana kurudi ukiinvest na Suzuki Swift. Number 3, where Suzuki Swift performs best. The Swift actually better for Uber higher fares. Hizo classes ziko juu kidogo lakini ziko na kazi kidogo. So saa zingine utangoja sana. Bolt standard rides, private hire or airport trips. Kama uko na offline za airport nini, airport unajua unapatanga kazi hata zinaenda Thika. Itakupatia good performance. Uko na rides za offline. private car, vitu kaa hizo, you earn more per trip, better returns, driver reality in Kenya. What drivers are saying about this car? Unajua Wakenya naye lazima tukuwe na kakitu ya kusema about these cars. But kumbuka, hii gari ni expensive sana kwa mtu unaitumia kila siku. We unategemea Uber, unatoka tu unaenda Uber unarudi jioni. Unaenda Uber unarudi jioni. Hii gari itakumes. But kwa power, number one, fuel kidogo inakunywa but power uko nayo. Space uko nayo. Boot space, luggage space, legroom, headroom, everything is good in this car. Hapo uwezi inyang'anya. Hiyo gari iko top kwa hizo vitu zote. Also, if you can find a way of putting this car on higher classes on Uber platform or maybe Little Cab or other apps na upate nayo kazi, it will give you better earnings per trip, and that means better returns. So uwezi iweka nje kwa hizo vitu, lakini mimi kwangu si gari mzuri kwangu kama mimi mtu nafanya full time Uber. If your goal is to maximize profit, avoid Swift. If your goal is to maximize profit, you want to do Uber full time na unataka gari yenye itakulea na familia, avoid Swift. If your goal is comfort, better paying rides or car hire, Swift is a good choice. Kama unaendanga mbali distances, uko na watu unapatianga magari nini, una car hire, Swift should be considered. Hii gari inapanda mlima kama ndege. It is one of the best cars on Kenyan roads. But kwa Uber full time, no. Bado uko na choices kama we ni mtu wa full time. So I don't recommend. As a driver, which car will you prefer? Will you prefer this car? Tell us in the comment section. Swift or Alto? As someone who is going for a full-time drive, remember Alto goes for around 700 to 800,000 while new. Then Suzuki Alto goes from 1 million to 1.5 foreign used. So will you go for Alto or Suzuki Swift? Tell us in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here we talk about Uber business, Uber as an investment, Uber as a business, and also we help other drivers so that they don't make mistakes. We also help other investors not to make mistakes before they join, because you can make a mistake that will cost you your investment for years. Juu kisha nunua gari kuiuza immediately, watu wanakuwa na conman, watu wanakuwa na mwizi. So you better make a choice early, and then you go for something that will at least last for a year or two, then you sell it. So with this one, I will not go. If you are a driver, a full-time driver, Uber driver, you have to consider the likes of Alto, the smaller engines. The spares are a bit pricier, but there are also some of the luxuries that you will get in this car. So you have to weigh on your plans and what you are planning. Also tell us, are you an Uber driver who is using this car, a Suzuki Swift? Are you using Suzuki Swift? Tell us in the comment section. And if not, why? Tell us in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We always post Uber stories here on my channel, investment stories, and a lot of things. We are just trying to weigh. Please, as a young man, always consider Uber business as one of the businesses that will give you freedom, peace at work, and also a lot of things. It will help you grow if you plan yourself better. If you have a goal of what you want as a cab driver, always plan first before you join an investment. Understand the income, and that's what we are trying to do on our channel. Understand the income, the work environment, and everything about Uber, where you will be getting the spares of that car, everything. Always consider our channel as the only place where you will get everything about Uber. Thank you.